So hello and what's up everybody, welcome back to a new video in my channel. This is a video about earning app called Pi. This app will help you to earn cryptocurrency. You all know if you earn cryptocurrency you can exchange this for play cards of something, and you can spend it on games or buy some items in real life. So it is gonna be released in 2021. The next year is coming soon. If you have to increase your earnings, you will just have to invite more friends, and you cannot join this app without a referral code. So I'm gonna try to show you how to download it and how to log in it. You need a referral code for logging in it, so you can look their earning teams Pi apps. So I'm here in Play Store, and today this time we are gonna search about Pi. So let's download the app from the Play Store. The app is easy and simple to download, as you can find it in Play Store, and I have already downloaded it, so I wouldn't like to uninstall and install it again. I had to use a referral link of my friend to join this. He suggested me this app. You can see you can have partner, contributors, ambassadors, nodes, etc features. And let's open the app. You can see two options here: continue with phone number or continue with Facebook. The phone number could be of any country. It works in every single country. You can continue with your Facebook account or with other accounts. Just give it a try, and every day you have to log in 24 hours, and your earning will increase per day, and it withdrawal can be claimed on 2021. So you would like to try this app, and you can get the withdrawal in 2021, and you will be able to buy something in the apps or games in real life. You can buy some play cards or etc with cryptocurrency. If you are from India, Nepal, Bangladesh or other Asian countries which don't allow you to buy or sell things with cryptocurrency, you could easily buy or sell things there in your country. You would surely like to check this app out, so be sure to do it. This all for this video.